If you are a barbecue lover, you should definitely try Korean barbecue this spring. So the drill is to make this lettuce wrap, and I'm gonna show you how to prepare it. This king oyster mushroom is widely eaten in Korea, and let me show you how to prepare it for the barbecue. I mean, yeah, we should definitely go out for the barbecue, but I needed to film, so I'm at home. When you cook king oyster mushroom, make sure not to overcook it because we want chewy texture instead of soft texture. And now we're gonna make Pajari, which is like a very important salady kind of dish to eat with this wrap. This Pajari is so refreshing and nice. Make sure to not miss it in Korean barbecue. And this is the Korean barbecue sauce, which is called Ssam. You'll be able to buy it in an Asian store. Now we have everything ready. Wrap your Ssam. Of course, don't miss kimchi and enjoy.